Hi there, it's Annie Lou. What do I have for you? Hi, it's Annie Lou. What do I have new? Hi there, it's Annie Lou. What do I have new for you today? I made a purchase, an Amazon purchase. If you saw the table where I work at, the dining room table, it has so many wires on it. The outlet that I have connected to the extension cord just isn't enough. So hopefully this is going to do the trick. So it looks like the name of the company is Small Ricci, and it is a multifunctional power strip. Let's open it up. I love the smell of new electronics. Oh, it smells good. It has 3, 6, 9, 12 outlets. There's the power button, the surge button, and it also has a spot for me to charge like my phone. I think this is a good purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.